Today we're featuring a 2016 Volvo XC90. It's got 34,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax report. It's this really pretty sand beige metallic. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. All right, we'll go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. It's a really clean car. All right, it's a 2016, 34,000 miles on it. Everything's in really good shape going down the driver's side of the vehicle. Go ahead and come across the back. It does have the rear backup camera, rear park assist. All right, it is an all-wheel drive. And right here on the back quarter panel, got a little bit of a scratch going right through here. If you can see that or not. Go ahead and run it through there and let you see. Get the angle on it. All right. Come on down the rest of the passenger side. Everything looks to be in really good shape. All right, I'll go ahead and take you up here. It does have the roof rack up top. Okay, really nice dual panel sunroof. All right. Everything else in the vehicle is in really good shape. Right here on the front, it does have the front sonar. Okay, park assist. Comes all the way across, all the way on the corners there. All right, so everything's in really good shape on here. It's got 34,000 miles on it, clean Carfax. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. All right, as we can see, it is equipped with memory seats. All right, it's got this blonde leather, Napa leather in here, power driver's seat. Just a little bit of wear right here on the edge of the seat. Not bad, just a little bit. Leather's in great shape. All right, there's that dual panel sunroof. Okay. It does have keyless fob. And then the passenger seat over here is in great shape as well. No problems there. Okay, there's some really cool features on this Volvo XC90. For instance, the how to turn the engine on. I've never seen this before. This is really cool. You got your button here, start, stop. All right, you press the brake, turn this over to start. All right, fires right up. Really cool feature there. It's got your drive mode here. All right, parking brake here. Turn this down. All right, you got your controls here for the radio, whatnot. This is actually, and let me turn this down a little bit so it's not too loud. Okay, but this is your control panel here. All right, kind of like a big iPad, basically. All right, so you can see everything there. All right, you actually can swipe, okay, and that gives you all the different options. You've got AM, FM, Sirius, radio, you got the driving performance, car status, messages, download center, travel link. All right, you also have Pandora here, your weather, Volvo ID. You can swipe it again. Let's see. All right, we'll go this way. Swipe the other way with it. All right, you got lane keeping aid, park assist, all right, distance alert, cross traffic alert, backup camera, heated seats. Okay, it even parks itself for you, parallel parks. Really cool features on this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and engage it, the backup camera. All right, as you can see, all right, huge screen on this. Let's see if I can go ahead and get that navigation going. Let's see. All right, there we go. It was right in front of me the whole time. There's your navigation. All right. Go ahead and show you the wheel. Two-tone wheel. All right, stitched leather. All right, you got your audio controls. Okay, and your Bluetooth. Go ahead and show you the mileage over here. 34,574 miles. All right, it's got the power lift gate and the memory seats that we already talked about. Dual panel sunroof. All right, nice cool slick mirror there. All your sunroof buttons there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. All right, we'll go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Leather's in really good shape. Right, it is equipped with a third row. Right, really easy to access that. Pull that up. There's your third row seating. Third row's in good shape. And back that back down. It is split in the middle. Okay, got your cup holders there. I'll go ahead and slide in here. Kind of give you the driver's eye view of the layout of the front. All right, really nice layout. The two-tone's really cool. It's got that Napa blonde with the black trim, really sharp. Okay, it's got your rear heat and air right there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and slide out here. I'm going to show you the power lift gate. All right, walk around here. Nice and smooth coming up. All right, it does have these really nice thick rubber floor mats for everything. All right, another set of mats there. All right, now you can see the third row. All right, it's kind of in there a little bit in the storage. Really easy to take these down. Push of a button. Push that button. They come sliding down. I'll go ahead and step to the side, let you see the depth there. You can see how it opened that up a lot. Okay, 12-volt power supply back here. All right, and once again, it does have the power lift gate. As you can see that coming down, nice and smooth. Bam, and it is an all-wheel drive. Okay, see that there. All right, we already went over the roof rack up here. I just want to open up and show you the passenger seat in the front. All right, it is a power passenger seat. Leather's in great shape. Okay. All right, this Volvo is equipped with 19-inch alloys on here. All right, tires are brand new. Still got the stickers on them. You can see the depth there. You can tell they're brand new. All right. And once again, this is a 2016 Volvo XC90, 34,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. Come down, check it out. Beautiful car, all-wheel drive. All right, schedule a test drive. Thank you for watching the video.